Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to disable sensitive content on Facebook in PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop, then you want to disable your sensitive content from your feed. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in browser just open Facebook. Now here you must see your profile option at the top right. Just click on it and then click on settings and privacy. Now from here, you have to select content preferences here. Just click on this. And here you must see sensitive content option. Click on this. And here you must select it default from here. So you just have to select show less. And once you have selected show less, just click on save. And you can see that sexually suggestive content or certain violent or graphic content. It will be disabled from your feed. So just click on OK now. And once you have done your changes, now save. So in this way you can easily minimize or show less sensitive content from your feed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.